Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, you are very much welcome. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to prepare these delicious potatoes. As usual, my recipes are very easy but very delicious. I encourage you to try this recipe at home and please let me know how yours came out in the comment section. First guys, I will start by preparing my potatoes. I'm using 4 potatoes. And the first thing I'm going to do is to peel them using a potato peeler or a knife. And guys, so here are my potatoes. I'm going to wash them, then proceed to cut my potatoes into cubes. This is the ideal size, like my ideal size. And next guys, I will proceed to season my potatoes. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon dried garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of oregano. And guys, you can add more spices like pepper and maybe or black pepper. And then I'm going to mix this. And next guys, I'm going to grease my air fryer. I'll use some oil. Let's move this close. And on the wall of the air fryer, if you have a spray bottle you can use, or manually you can use maybe a pepper or just your hands. I'm then going to add my potatoes into the air fryer. Yeah, that's how our potatoes are. So I'm just going to distribute them. Then close. And my air fry is at 29 minutes and I already selected fries like potatoes. So guys, let's wait and see the end product, what we are going to get. And guys, 30 minutes are over, so let's take a look at the potatoes. Yes, wow, it looks so yummy. Just to check if the potatoes are cooked, let's see. Oh, so hot, man. You can see it's very hot. Yeah, it's very hot, but it's completely cooked. I'm going to taste this. This is very delicious. So this type of potato cooking is ideal for breakfast or brunch, but still you can have it for dinner or lunch.